Recording this feels like catching up with an old friend I haven't talked to in a while. So last January, I went to Barcelona for a weekend to see my high school best friend and another friend I consider my older sister. This trip felt like a weekend reset. It was calm, no rush at all, and I got good sleep. I was even able to write on my journal and read a book. So this is how it went. I hope you enjoy replaying this memory. Hello. Let's pack for my Barcelona trip. Here are my toiletries, pair of sneakers. I have one dress, just in case. That is what I'm going to bring. Now time to get ready.
This is my outfit.
It's based on a Gaudi design.
Wow. That's insane.
If I would just say it 1,000 times for you, love, I'm keeping my heart on a shelf. I think that you wish I was somebody else.
I'm gonna screw
Hey! Oh my God, Barcelona weekend! Dusty's here!
That we lay.
This is my time para mag-Tagalog kasi pagod na ako mag-English.
Si Ingles kasi.
Oh my God, we're so cute!
Love her!
We're living the dream.
Picture muna tayo.
Okay, let's go. We're going to eat somewhere.
Wait, mag-pipix muna siya.
Ilalabas ko muna yung
Mag-fix
Filipino
muna tayo.
English accent ko. Matchy tayo.
Oo nga,
Style.
jacket.
Mare!
Ang magmare.
Mare, ang ganda.
Mare, ang ganda niya.
Mare. Actually, ang ganda niya. Uy!
Uy, ako lang to, be. Parang normalan lang eh.
Normal. Bye! Bye!
Ikaw.
Shout out sa'yo, Shanty Dope, pag napanood mo to.
Shanty Dope, sana bigyan mo kami ng pera pang gasto sa Europe. Ano yung nice?
Here at Tagaytay.
Here at Tagaytay Shrine.
Pupunta kami sa kamay ni Jesus.
Sa Lokban, Quezon.
Sa Lukman, Quezon ba? We're here at El Nacional. Para siyang food court. Ganon? Ano ba? Food market? Food court. That's so Philippine.
SM Dasma.
That's so SM Dasma. Cute naman siya. So, what's your favorite Spanish dish?
Tortilla de patata. Wala bang free taste dyan?
Sige, pero huhugasan mo yung mga plato.
Dog.
Parang dati lang, yung fino-food trip natin, kwek-kwek. Dynamite.
We upgraded to tapas.
Sabi naman ang light. Hindi na makakita.
Barcelona siya.
Bakit?
Football Barcelona. Because they're the best in Spain. Sila yung pinakamaganda. Hindi tayo kasi against the light.
Iba talaga ang aesthetics ng Europe.
Kahit pader lang, maganda pa din.
Yeah, like culture is preserved. Ako lagi pag trip, kunyari gumagala kami. Ang goal ko is malasing lagi.
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Alcoholic.
You're not trip. Like, wala kang iniisip. Trip, lakad-lakad lang. Gala-gala.
Alcoholic ka lang talaga, sis.
Alam mo
Nasaan ka,
talaga
ha?
kung nasan siya.
Nasaan ka na naman? Ay,
Si Zai.
Hi, Zai! Akala ko si Miggy yung kasama.
Kaya nga. Sa Spain, gaga.
We miss you!
Ha?
Just got inside the apartment. Not the apartment, the Airbnb that we booked. Actually, my ate booked this, and I'm just a freeloader. It's quite nice. This is my outfit. I'm so glad that I can wear a mini skirt here, because where I live in Europe, it's so freaking cold. It's like -4, -8 degrees. And here, it's warm enough for me to wear this outfit. I'm waiting for them for now, and then maybe we're gonna go out in a bit.
Yes? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, I can't believe you're here! Wow, beauty place! How are you? That's... it's gonna...
Kinuha yung plata natin, bibigay din pala sa atin.
Bigyan niyo tayo.
Churros ka na? No? Is that thing here? Yeah, churreria. Churreria. We'll look at, yeah. So good.
I'm just late. I just showered, did my journal, and I'm gonna read a book before I go to sleep. The lesson today is loving someone means letting them be who they are. Because when you can behave freely around someone, you can feel love and acceptance. The kind of relationship that feels somehow oppressive and strained when two people are together cannot be called love, even if there is passion. I agree. No matter how distressful a relationship is, you must not avoid or put off dealing with it. The worst thing to do is to just stand still with the situation as it is. So try to address something first. If it doesn't work, then let it go, I guess. And tomorrow's another day to explore the city. So I'll see you tomorrow. This is our place.
I want to eat at this thing. Well, it's in the market, that baby squid. That's literally the highlight. Oh, sayang.
I was forcing them yesterday, like go sardines, but no.
cathedral. Can you imagine we were just in Pinas together, Ate?
I know.
And now we're here together.
Yun nga, that's why I was just like, I can't believe I'm meeting you here. Like, this is the place. Eto, Barcelona. Say
That's
what?
crazy.
Literally.
My journal entry for this day was: Dear Journal, this Saturday, I feel really lucky and at peace.
Should I move here?
Go live your Catherine Bernardo dream.
I'm now sitting at a random bench in front of La Familia Sagrada. And the best part is, it's so sunny. There are people that are dancing in the music played by street musicians. And the wind is blowing through my hair. Thank you God and thank you universe for letting me experience a life that's actually worth living.
La España. Like, can you say La España?
Third shot.
Let me see.
Cute. Nice.
Cuters.
We're eating somewhere. Turk kebab. By the arch. Ay, walang makita.
Mura pa. Sarap.
Sarapan na nga, nagmura pa. Life is about balance. You know what this reminds me of? Potato corner. Okay lang. Yum. This is mine. Oops.
Oops. Ba nag-aaral ka? Ano kayong feeling na bumaba ng trunks?
Nang?
Trunks.
Try mo.
For me.
Hello. I'm back in our place. I kept telling my best friend that I feel at home and I feel like I could live here. I just see myself here in general. Hopefully I'm not wrong. It's because it's a holiday, so you know, everything's nice, everything's fun when you're in a holiday. But yeah, it's been so tiring and I need a nap. So I'm gonna shower, then I will have a siesta. Also, I got me and my best friend this bracelet. So his is a black bracelet with pink marbles. Fit. Check. So this was my outfit earlier. I forgot to take videos. And the Converse, but right now I'm wearing my socks. Good morning. It's our last day in Barcelona. I don't know why I'm whispering.
Let's go there. I was like, hindi na-meet ang expectations.
I was like, oh.
Okay, this is
Get
nice.
your camera out.
Okay, this is the real entrance, guys.
Yeah.
Vidas. Try one.
Can we try one, please? This one?
Just in You can take the plastic. I don't need it. Thank you. Go on the car. It's good.
I want them.
I don't need.
Ay, ma. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Rar.
Sarap pa. Nauna yung kaysa sa pagtekem.
That's good. It's okay.
It's very tomato-y.
I left na when you messaged me. I got some stickers.
Gusto ko lang naman ng chili mansi na pansit kanto. Ano ba?
Okay, maybe I can give you one. I got
can give
one.
you one.
But it's fine. It's okay.
I can give you one. I got 2 lang.
Wag na, okay lang.
Next time I see you, pag grocery ka sa Filipino store.
Please.
Oh my God, I didn't know.
I just want
Hindi ko naman
pancit
alam na
canton.
ganun yung struggle mo.
Walang mga Filipino.
Wala talagang Filipino store.
Wala.
I really...
Gracias.
Oh, sorry. Can this... Good. So
Same.
much.
Pangit lang sa iyo ng seafood. All they have
Pangit?
is white fish.
Yeah, wala.
Sad. That's sad.
I can live with that. If salmon. It's so small, but it's
You want
nice.
that one too as well, ba?
I just want to give. We have a whole day pa.
I know.
Mas malaman to dun sa
Doon
in-order
sa
natin.
nung
Wait, ate, this is yours?
Okay, let's go.
Yum! Pino. Hello po! Kamusta?
For being so supportive. Wait, paano mo nilagay ate? Wait, did you just...
Sinandok ko lang.
ano ba yan?
Yan, ganun na lang. As a demure kind of person.
It's so good.
Nakalook. Yeah, let's do it together. Ang hirap naman mag-vlog, oh.
Wait, which one's better? The first one or this one?
I prefer this.
And it's more like
Chewier. And this is more chocolatey.
I like the chocolate better, but yung first one is crispier,
The
yung
crunch.
churro.
Yeah.
So I prefer that one.
Thanks for making it to the end of this video. I'm sending you love and I'll see you again soon.